Good afternoon. This is the JW Ratcliffe and Sons electric pottery Pugmill, and the arrow shows which way it goes. And as you can see, I plugged it into the single phase. The brass auger is turning clockwise direction. We just put it together. This Pugmill was originally a 3-phase Pugmill, and this was converted to run on very useful single phase by our very experienced kiln expert. This was an originally 3-phase Pugmill. As you can see, it's 0.55 kilowatts, and all the information here. And this says here, there, as you can see, information. And this is the new electrical device. I hope you can see. This is the key to open it. Open. This is the new electrical device that was put on by our engineer. Please do not mess with that. And it's all earthed. Here, it's all earthed. Here it is. That is the switch over there. I'm going to lock it. Put the keys in. Locked. I will leave the keys there as it is. And this is the... Oh, what am I doing? This is the on-off switch here. Here. And I haven't got any clay in. Not that I'm going to be putting clay in, because I don't want to have to take it off again. It's very difficult to put it through again. I mean, the Pugmill splits into two parts, as you can see, 2 halves lengthways, so that you can clean it if you wanted easily. And these are the new cables and things, and new single phase, which, as you can see, I have plugged it into an extension lead here. Extension lead. So it is little bit noisy because of there is no clay inside at all. There is the holder of the sausages, clay sausages, and the auger. I don't know if you can see the auger moving in there. So there is the brass auger moving. This need to be put in on a very strong stand. So this comes down like that, handle, and then push down. Sorry about the mess in my garden. Thank you for watching. Bye.